And that there is the sump pump doing its job, dispensing water, trying to move quick. At some point it'll stop. Gonna have it up on a brick at the moment. You'll see why. I filled it extra full. But this is not its normal run time. Okay, so basically about a minute to empty a 3/4 full sump. That's not bad. I have a hose going going down to it. And that water that's jetting out at the bottom, right there, that's why I have it up on a brick. So that's emptying what's left in the tube. So basically it doesn't freeze and pop and expand and everything. It is a hot, muggy day today, but gotta do what you gotta do, you know. Now the sump is still filling up with water. Excuse me. So we're just gonna wait for the time being to see how well this does and goes. Now say for a torrential downpour, there's the sump going off again. Okay, so a minute later, and then it stops. Cool. So if we had like a torrential downpour, all the joints over there aren't leaking at the wall. So that's where it's coming out of the house. So torrential downpour, every minute it'll go off and empty out. The water is not rusty color anymore either. Nice. That's what I was also hoping to do, is flush out all the rust color. We haven't gotten much rain except recently, so the 10-year-old sump is getting a little rusty. Yeah, a little ant crawling on the top. So before this goes off again, I'll show you what the inside looks like. So that's all it is. I just dropped my pen, and then when it's done, it seals up. Okay. We'll try to wait another half minute. Here it comes. Nice. Water guy said you can put a freaking fountain at the end of it if you want. Well, I kinda did. So far so good. The water is looking clean. Get out of the sunlight. Yeah, the water is looking nice and clean now. Cool. Alrighty. Bye bye.